जवाहरलाल नेहरू, महात्मा गांधीजी, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, who struggled hard for the of India till the end of their life. India is our mother country and we are its citizens. We should always be ready to save it from the bad people and make it a best country of the world. Thank you so much. Jai